Aftermath Hurricane Irma. This is crazy. So this vehicle here come down the hill too?
She was vexed.
But she get boy, you know, that's why she comes so fuck up. Oh my man boy, so that's why she comes so. And that's why woman can't take bite, so we don't come. When we come back with fire and with eye. All vehicles on Tortola are actually damaged. Every one of them actually damaged. Apartments gone. Vehicles gone. I don't think nobody have vehicles to drive today.
Where y'all going? By the shelter? You got that house?
Very good.
Who? Oh Jesus. Oh Lord. Just confirm we have one death so long. One death so long on Tortola.
Derek dead.
Derek. Pana uncle just gone there.
Derek.
The Spanish buyer. Yes. Aftermath, this is not good. One death for now. We don't know about later. This is crazy. Got goosebumps all over my body right now. I could tell you. This is crazy. Nobody have no place to live. Everybody homeless, all vehicles damaged.
Who tell you?
I can't take it. No. I can't take it. This is not good. Everything gone down there. Nothing saving now. The vehicle, everything. Oh Lord. This is not good. Apartments gone. He down there still? Oh Lord. So the wolf went with everything gone there. Oh Jesus, Lord God, I can't take this. I can't take this. Don't you like it get worse? Oh Jesus, I can't take it. I can't take it. Ooh. Ooh. I can't take this. You can't, oh God. This is intense, God. Oh Jesus. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, God.
Mira.
Jesus. Help us.
He good, he said, he up the hill. He said.
God. I can't even know how I do right now, my son.
Inside of it?
You say he dead?
Inside of that part.
And a woman with the footprint.
Oh,
What is
Jesus.
them trying to get out of the woman.
One
From
dead.
the whole thing.
This is crazy, man.